Hello everyone, today I will show you a connected screens for motorcycles. We unpack. This is the main body of the product. Let's talk about the stand first. This is a mounting bracket with two. This can be locked with this screw. On the handlebar. Here are some gadgets. Then this is the second bracket. Suitable screw positions can be found for installation. Choose one of two brackets. This is the cable. This is a 12V to 5V buck. By connecting the 12 volts of the motorcycle, then switch to 5V product connection. This is the data cable used for the upgrade. And gadgets. This is the body of the product. This product is a 5-inch HD display capacitive touchscreen. Then it is waterproof, sunproof and anti-theft mounted. Waterproof, sunproof and anti-theft installation. 5-inch screen. Next we continue with the installation. Now the product has been installed on this motorcycle. The biggest feature of the product is that it is based on the Linux system. Mounting and fixing with anti-theft mounting brackets. There are anti-theft screws on the back of the product. Product design will not block the line of sight. Now demonstrate the pairing process of wireless CarPlay. First find the Bluetooth name of the product. Here you can search the product's Bluetooth through iPhone. Click to use CarPlay. So you can connect to wireless CarPlay. It will automatically reconnect after use. Connect in seconds. Very smooth. The product supports Bluetooth audio transmission. Transmit audio to Bluetooth headset via Bluetooth. Now demo Android phone using wireless Android Auto. Before using, select Android Auto in the Android device. Search the product's Bluetooth through an Android phone for pairing. After the pairing is successful, it will automatically enter Android Auto. It will also be automatically connected in the future. This is wireless Android Auto. Linux system is very stable and smooth. Still the same smoothness after using it for a long time. This is the Bluetooth audio transmitter function. It is also possible to transmit audio using the FM band. Thanks.